TMO Online Television, its associates and affiliates may not be liable for views expressed on this show. Viewer discretion advised.
But I regulate. I saw to that when I joined the Museveni, I saw to that I was building my political career. But I landed in the political landmine. I regulate at times. I wake up at night and I cry. I ended up killing my political career. I will never go back to State House until there is a new facility. Until no namuku. How can you fight a man with me? And nobody can assure you. Nobody can reconcile me with these people. Where do you find the State House? Ngaba kolanga mu State House bonna bakacha mabani. Bonna baduse bali Canada. Don't you see? Don't you see?
Beba nanyine companies twala abantu.
Yes, nakale mu mulimo gwe. Yalwanyisanga ma company malaba.
Agabano
Abaganda batugamba nti akuma ebijanjala kunyachi. Mbi. When they started getting younger people for not only for labor, but some companies masqueraded as labor exporting companies when they were taking for organs. That's why you had to undergo a testing. That's why a certain clinic in Kampala bakola mutu bamanyi bajja baba batirewa nabo munakola mutu clinic bajimanyi baba kuba ebifaananyi tujja kufuna buli yakola mu ndaba beba mbetente beba mutte. You better close it. Close that clinic. Uganda is not about it. No, you bajja kwota bajikola mu beba basiri mbabulira nti batandika wano. The pioneer doctor who started this thing is Kanyerezi, Professor Kanyerezi. Professor Kanyerezi came to me and confessed. The tape, the recordings are here. Kanyerezi left me with the list. Luhindi, former Minister and Attorney General, became the ex-tutor. He's the chairperson of the fellowship. Luhindi, nibajolonga gundi ono omukazi bamugemeire ajoga abantu buli wa mwamutekawo. That one is the chairman of the fellowship. Ekibinja kyababbi ekyabba amasanyalaze 400 million. So if you have people who have killed each other, is it wise to maintain a quarreling couple together?
No.
Yes.
It cannot happen.
You what did Jesus marry?
No.
The kingdom of God Gomusias go back gwe. The other day some pastors were accused of kusiaga and you were acquitted, but the evidence that we know the courts of law.
Yes.
If these people God never destroyed the NSC because of Wenzi. Suleiman yali mwenzi. No you Sodom. Obamwe bebagamba Sodoma mubeerawo naye kukingo balina omukuba kubanga wa muhoozi. Kakati ekintu ekyo today
yego bawayize ebisiyaga
yego
bawayize omukazi
engalabiye Jessica didn't Jessica learn what one time?
I see.
Jessica teyaddukako. Why do you pressurize Bujingo? In fact he would be happy. Where is Manjeri now? Manjeri kasayaje ebintu mawulire. Who knows whether Manjeri has a man, where he does not have a man, where's a chi? Even the Virgin Mary, after delivering Jesus, yes, he married.
Yes.
This is why we know.
Yes.
Was a Virgin Mary? Why? Testimony from Joseph.
Yes.
Indeed, Joseph.
How could we know if he had not married?
Yes.
Yes.
Therefore, a church nebufune fitina waliwo kali ku luguudo akawaliko emutegedde nennyoko naafa nga tumuyamba gwe ogaba relief when your mother is dying in poverty. You have a curse. Okolaba osiiwuka ng'empeefu You are not religious.
Why innocent?
How
innocent?
Yes.
Teyamba mama we.
Ekiragiro ky'okuna kikutulagira. Kiragira abazadde okulera abaana baabwe. Obulungi n'abaana okubalabirira nga bakadde. Omuganda aga nti olumye oluto. Olugumye olukadde nyoko ogabaliriifu nga nyoko mwavu. Nyoko abonaabona
mbere ya COVID.
Nakone kafuntula entama kakuba bujingu. Nakone kafuntula entama sebo. Nikafuntula entama. Nikavuma bujingu. Nakone kafuntula entama katisobola kulabira nyina wawe. Nakone kafuntula entama.
Funtula ntama.
Ya bakantu kita kufuntula ntama.